Welcome back, guys. In today's video we're going to be doing free codecamp section React and Redux, and the challenge will be called as map dispatch to props. So map dispatch to props function is used to provide specific action creators to your React components so they can dispatch actions against the Redux store. It's similar in structure to the map state to props function that we did in the last challenge. If you didn't do the last challenge, I highly recommend it to do it, because this challenge is a follow-up from the concept as well. Alright, so that method, which is map state of props, it returns an object that maps dispatch actions to property names, which then become the component props. However, instead of returning a piece of state, each property returns a function instead that calls dispatch with an action creator and any relevant action data. You also have access to this dispatch because it's passed into this map dispatch.props method over here as a parameter when you define the function, just like you pass state to map state.props. Map state to props. Behind the scenes, React and Redux is using Redux's store.dispatch method to conduct these dispatches with map dispatch to props. This is similar to how it uses the store.subscribe for components that are mapped to state. Perfect. So for example, if you have a login user action creator, alright, and that takes a username as an action payload, the object returns from map dispatch to props for this action creator will look something like this. Alright, so that's a property is being assigned, which is submit login user, and that's the function, and username is being passed into the function, and then is dispatching the username from the login user method. Simple as that. Alright, so to give a bit of an hands-on experience, it gives us this challenge to solve. So it says that the code editor provides an action creator called add message, which is over here, and write a function message dispatch.props that takes dispatch as an argument, then returns an object. The object should have a property submit new message set to a dispatch function, which then takes a parameter for the new message to add when it dispatches add message method. Alright, I believe you guys are saying, what the hell is this language? It's so complicated. So in order to simplify that, let's do it step by step. Alright, so I'm gonna just get rid of this message, that comment. So first of all, it's saying that we need to write a function called map dispatch to props. So let's do that first. Map dispatch to props. Alright, and then pass an argument as well, and then an arrow function, which is like this. And then it said that the method that takes dispatch as an argument. So let's give it a dispatch as an argument here. Alright, and then it says as an argument, then return an object. So we need to return an object. Alright, and then what should the object contain? so the object should have a property submit new message. So submit new message, alright, and which will then take a function. Okay, and this one we're gonna be setting message, I believe. Yep, for the new, which takes a parameter for the new message. So I'll be setting that message in there. Alright, and now because it takes in a function, so we are gonna dispatch the message from the add message method. So see, it says add a new message when it dispatches add message method. So add message is being dispatched at the moment, and we need to take pass pass it message. That's all really. Alright, let's see if we pass the challenge. Hopefully we do. Yay, there's another castle. Perfect. Alright guys, I really hope you understood the concept of how to map dispatch to props. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I'll make sure I'll go back to you as soon as I can. And until the next video, have fun practicing this new concept, and I'll see you in the next one.